Hey guys, I'm John with Hops and Brews, and today we're going to be checking out a product from a brewery that is well known for making some of the hoppiest, dankiest, IPAs, craziest flavors out there, and that is our beloved Stone Brewing. These don't look like IPAs. So, like I said, we're going to be checking out some new Stone beverages, and that is Stone's latest Buenavida's hard seltzers. It just sounds wrong. Stone and hard seltzers. I do like most of their beers, so maybe. Stone Buenavida Hard Seltzer Watermelon and Lime comes in at a 5% ABV, A0 IBUs. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.59. Hard seltzer with watermelon and lime. Okay, first up is their watermelon and lime. It looks fantastically bubbly. It smells actually really good. It smells as I was pouring it, like I smelled watermelon. It was nice. Get a little lime, you know, so I'm betting the lime is probably just the tartness. But yeah, I mean, it's nice, and look at that. That is crystal clear. All right, cheers. Oh, yeah, that's actually really good. Wow. Wow, that's actually really good. That's super refreshing. None of the flavors are like big and bold. It's like having that watermelon water, you know, it's not sweet. That's what I really love. There's no sweetness to this, just subtle fruit flavors. There's the tartness. It's what, like I said, I'm pretty sure the tartness is the lime. I don't think there's actually lime in there. I think there's a tartness. But the watermelon and the tartness work very well together. It tastes just like a sparkling water with, like, say, watermelon essential oil. That is actually really good. That is really refreshing. I love that there's no, like, sweetener to this. I don't know, that's really good. I really like that. And the body's nice too. It's not super thin and it's not ultra thick. I am looking forward to the other ones. Let's move on down the line. Black cherry. Let's check it out. Stone Buenavida Hard Seltzer Black Cherry. Comes in at a 5% ABV, A0 IBUs. It gets an average rating on Untappd of 3.42. Hard seltzer with black cherry. Okay, let's check out what black cherry does. There's more aromatics now versus when I was pouring it, unlike the watermelon, but still, aromatics, good. It's one of the better black cherries too that I've smelled. Very nice. Light again. Has more flavor than the watermelon lime. The cherry is definitely more all the way through. It's balanced all the way through. There's no gap of flavors. If there was any gap of flavor, I would say it's at the very beginning when you're just trying to, what is this flavor? But then the cherry just takes over. And what I really like too, it's a subtle version of it. So it's not like bold in your face like some of the other major seltzers out there. Yeah, this is nice. Oh, I like the bottle. At the bottom of the bottle, it has this skull of the gargoyle. That's pretty cool, the bottle design. Now, I'm not the world's biggest black cherry fan. I'm more of a sour cherry fan, but I still enjoy it from time to time. And this one is hitting all the marks that it's supposed to hit. So I can't ding anything so far. They're all good. Let's go with Mandarin Orange. See what that's got. Stone Buenavida's Hard Seltzer Mandarin. Comes in at a 5% ABV, a 0 IBUs. It gets an average rating on Untapped of 3.46. A hard seltzer with Mandarin Orange. Okay, so let's check out the Mandarin Orange. Not as much aromatic, but This one, I don't know if I like this one. It's a weird orange flavor. I don't know. This one's not hitting for me. I mean, it's not off-putting in the sense of like, you know, a bad sugar flavor because there's no sugar in any of these. Again, a point I love. Or sweetener. But whatever they use for the flavoring just isn't hitting for orange. It's almost like unripened orange. You know? Now I know this is a Mandarin orange, but have you ever gotten one like a navel orange and it's just not that juicy? And you're like, ugh, I don't really want this. That's kind of what this tastes like. A little disappointed in this one. Still good, but disappointing. All right. Mango. I love mangoes and artificial mango stuff, so I'm really hoping this one is going to be good. With the track record so far, I'm hoping this might be my favorite one. Let's find out. Stone Buenavida Hard Seltzer Mango. Comes in at a 5% ABV, a 0 IBUs. It gets an average rating on Untapped of 3.44. Okay, mango. Ooh. Smells good. Actually kind of smells like cereal. And mangoes. That's interesting. Like fruity cereal. Oh. That's good. That's what I was liking. That's what I like. That's a good flavor. That's a really good flavor. Like the mango and obviously the tartness probably from some form of citric acid. Yep, right there. Really just complement each other so perfectly well. It's light, it's crisp, refreshing, mango-y flavor. Just enough mango to know it's there. It's a very tropical-esque drink. Wow, they did a good job on all of these. I mean, the orange was okay, but man, this one's good. I really enjoy this mango flavor. And like I said about all the other ones, I'm enjoying the fact that there's no artificial sweetener in this to boost it back up, and they're not going too overboard with the flavors. All of them are very subtle flavors. I really like that. Seltzers are pretty cheap and easy to produce. And when you even cut out the sweetener, that's even cheaper. That's why these are actually coming in about, well, just a little over $1 a bottle. That's cheap. I mean, that is Pabst Blue Ribbon cheap. Pabst has their own hard seltzer. Go look that up. It's Pabst. Well, wow. You know what? I would really like for them to try something like, you know, an IPA flavor or an imperial version, kind of using that beer aspect to bridge the two worlds of the seltzers and the beer community. Right now, I still feel the beer community is not very accepting of the seltzers because it's like, well, I'll just have a light beer. That's what I want. But why aren't they making like Citra Mosaic Seltzer? You know, give me, so Stone's venture into the seltzer world. What do I think of this craft beer industry's move? Honestly, I like it. I like it a lot. They were all great. This watermelon lime, fantastic. The black cherry I thought was probably one of the best balanced black cherry seltzers I've ever had. The mandarin orange, okay. And this mango, fantastic.
This is like a taste explosion.
I told you.
What is it? I think it moved. Oh my God, I think it moved.
All of them great bodies. Everything was executed at that Stone brewery level you wanted it to be. So if you're still kind of doubtful and you're like, I don't want to try these hard seltzers because all the companies that make them are just these big domestic breweries. And all the craft beer ones seem to be the big jammy ones, the smoothie styles, which those are like 300 calories for 8 ounces. Check out Stone's Buenavida's hard seltzer category. This is definitely worth taking a look at, especially with this hot weather that's starting to hit us. See you guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Remember, hit like and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media stuff. The links will be at the very bottom of the description below. Have you gotten to try Stone's new hard seltzer categories? I didn't see too many check-ins on Untappd, so I don't know. So make sure to check them on Untappd. Tag me at Hops and Brews. Befriend me there. We can all check out, see what beers I'm drinking on my days off. What was your favorite hard seltzer you've ever had? Let me know in the comments below.